here at the AME Zion Church, African American Church. Wow. Was this all the stuff you found in here, the dishes and things?
Yeah, I mean, it's all been cataloged. It was in boxes, and it had cat feces and urine. So I unboxed everything.
Oh, wow.
Put it out. Yeah, this old tiny, that you see in the on Gunsmoke.
Yeah. Right.
Or coffee jed.
Oh gosh.
And
so we got the pews here. Some pews are left.
the pews with the paint removed from where the bodies were.
Yeah.
I suppose this was somebody's shoulder rubbing on there for years.
Wow. Oh, look at this.
This was all water damaged here, and I just repaired all of this.
I wonder if there was any stained glass, do you know?
No.
No? So is the
No, they couldn't afford stained glass.
no stained glass,
No,
right?
most of this was donated. Most of the wood was, they looked to get donations, and they went up into the Montrose area looking for donations and spare wood and what have you.
When they were building this thing?
So if you were to look in the attic, a lot of the wood is from cutoffs. When they cut a log,
Yeah.
then this side gets tossed. A lot of people like to make coffee tables out of them. Well, those are up there.
Ah.
And the attic is pristine. It's in perfect shape.
I saw the picture of you maybe sitting in the attic.
Yeah.
One of your pictures, that was a good one,
Yeah, 'cause I did the repair out there, and then I took a break in the attic.
Ah. So the attic didn't get damaged?
No. Nothing's really damaged. The siding and, from rain coming in, that's why you have the walls compromised there.
Yeah.
But this is all going to get sheetrocked.
Wonderful news.
Uh-huh.
Is the county going to contribute anything so far? Do we know?
I think they're contributing the signs. Historic, welcome to historic Montrose. Yeah.
Over here at this property? Are they contribute? I asked them years ago to put a sign here, historic sign. They said no.
Eventually. I think the wheels are in motion.
Yeah.
It'll be a domino effect. Yeah.
Oh, okay, but
Because I
nothing.
noticed after cleaning this up, I noticed people in their yards, cleaning up debris, and so there is going to be a domino effect.
And the organs were here?
Yes. No one's harvested them yet.
Huh.
I guess the
There's another one there too, right?
pump organs were possibly original, but it looks like people were storing things here.
Oh.
Because we got a piano and 3 organs, that's a little much.
It
Right?
is. It is.
So
Where's the piano? I don't see it.
it's turned backwards over there. Straight
In the
over.
straight ahead?
You see it now? It's discernible.
It is?
Sure, out of all the objects in the room.
Lots of objects in the
Well,
room. Oh, I see it here. Oh,
Yeah,
now I see it.
It's although it is ubiquitous, it is also
Then upright.
easily recognizable.
Oh yeah, no. It took me a while.
And there is an upstairs.
Ah,
Yeah, you want to go?
yeah. Is there a bathroom? Wonder if they had bathroom here.
There is no.
Plumbing?
Well, I don't know about that at the moment.
Huh. Oh boy. Oh, what happened? Another leak? Oh, a leak.
Well, I got to get to that today.
Huh.
That's the only one that there. It was all over the place, but I forgot. I got to get this today.
Oh dear. All right.
But so look at this old little chalkboard, huh? With the little.
Yeah.
This is what a train looks like.
Huh, for the kids, I guess. Maybe
Sure.
it was occupy them during
I don't
church.
know why they have to know what a steam locomotive engine. How? I mean,
And look at the blocks here, like little kid blocks.
And this,
Huh.
I've always liked this dresser, it's nice.
Oh, yeah. And then the sign.
And then that's an honor roll right there, Zion honor roll.
Oh,
You see
wow.
Carlton Reed on there.
Oh, wow. 2 Reeds. And Carters. We got Carters here.
Birch.
Birch. Now, are these part of the church then?
Yeah, Zion's honor roll.
Oh,
Yep.
huh. And what about this sign? Where is this supposed to be? Bristol Bud Center. That's someplace else. Do you know where that is?
No. That wasn't in the Dennis Farms, was it, you think?
I don't know.
I don't either.
I have to look it up. I have to do research. Bristol Bud Center. Where is that?
Where indeed.
Huh. An old picture of Jesus here.
Hello, everybody, and welcome.
Welcome to the church. So, are you the only one working on it so far? Anybody helping you physically?
I'm the only one.
Oh, so far.
I've had a lot of requests from people.
You mean to help out?
Yeah, but Sherman only wants one person on the property.
He does?
That's what he told me.
And why? Because of insurance or something? I wonder.
It's possible, yes, it's possible.
What did you do with the windows?
I reglazed them.
So it's the original windows?
Yeah, that looks like. What happens is I did the glazing when it was cold out.
Oh, yeah.
So some of them I'll have to redo. But these have all been replaced.
Wow.
Even
nice.
down there. You remember there were boards. The boards is what makes it look hideous. Oh,
I
look
know.
at this. It's an old window blind.
Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Eesh.
Still works. Huh.
Painted like paper? What is that? Cloth, I guess.
I don't know, but that's kind of nifty. I wonder if there's another one. Now, well, look at that, the original window blind.
It's built, what did you say, 1850 or so?
Right, 1859,
Ah,
2 years before the Civil War.
right.
So,
1859. Is anybody buried on this property? I
I
wonder.
don't know.
You didn't see any markers yet, huh?
No, I don't know.
We'll see when the snow
There's
melts.
a raccoon in the basement.
There is a dead raccoon?
Yeah.
So there's a basement? Huh?
There is, did you want to see that?
Yeah.
They redid the basement, sheetrock, the whole 9 yards, and then some kids came in and hammered the sheetrock and
Oh.
wrote graffiti on the walls, you know, the
Wow.
usual.
The usual nonsense? Oh,
Yeah.
gosh.
And
Did they say anything nasty?
nothing racist.
Oh, that's good.
And then but the basement needs a dehumidifier. So if you're going to put new sheetrock and tape on the ceiling, you got to get a dehumidifier in there. So all the taping job is peeling off in the basement.
Oh, is it?
It needs a.
I can try and get you that if you want, a dehumidifier.
Well, we got $9,000 in GoFundMe, so we got the money for all that junk.
Yeah, see if you can get a dehumidifier down there.
So, I mean, you need somebody overseeing what's going on around here. So
Yeah.
let me close this. I'll show you the basement.
What do you do? Oh, close that.
Did you see the siding I put up over there?
I saw siding, I just don't know which you put up.
Over here on that side.
Yeah.
Now, don't trip over these 2x4s.
Oh, that's okay, yeah, I'll try. Oh, well.
Yeah. It looks bad, but you'd be amazed at what a broom could do.
Oh, boy. Is there an outside entrance or just an inside entrance?
You got this end.
Oh, there's a ground entrance.
Sure.
Oh, that's neat.
The light even works.
Oh,
See?
wow. Oh, perfect. They might have had a kitchen down there, you wonder, you know, for gatherings. And this is what you did over here. Oh, the siding looks really nice, yeah.
It does.
Very nice.
I agree.
Perfect. How's the backyard? What leads over there? A bunch of trees. Wonder how far their property goes. And then this thing was a residence maybe, huh?
That's got a new roof, new foundation. It just needs siding.
Ah. Did you put the roof on?
No, but all that mishmash.
Yeah.
Why did they do that? Look at that. The wood. Just go get some siding.
Oh. Well, anything that's quick and easy. So,
And this is the siding right here.
oh,
Go get yourself some boards.
nice.
Take the time and put it on.
And what is it, pine, I guess?
Yes.
Hmm,
It is pine.
nice.
It is nice.
Oh.
All the graffiti is in here.
Graffiti.
I don't know if you want to see it. I think I might have done it.